How to share a YouTube video on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can share YouTube video on Messenger. Well, to share YouTube video on Messenger directly, you can simply open up YouTube. Then open up the video. Now you can either open up the video and tap on share icon, or you can tap on the three dots there and then tap on share option. Now as soon as you tap on share, if you have Facebook Messenger installed, you'll get the option right there. If you do not find it at the first, you can tap on more option and find the Messenger option, right? However, once you tap on Messenger, it'll load up. You can send it to whoever you wish to. You can write a message here as well. However, if you wish to send a video directly, right, there is no any such option on YouTube to send or share video directly to other apps. Now what you can do is you can either screen record the video and send it on Messenger, or you can also copy the link and send it by pasting it on Messenger. So this is how you can share YouTube video on Messenger. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.